What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today we have something in the house. Now, even though I'm not able to go to the store, I did manage to have a little fun online. So All-Clad usually has a factory sale. I think it's twice a year. They have an online store that they sell seconds. And this year they kind of bulked it up because they aren't able to have the factory sale like they usually can. So there's a lot of stuff on there that I kind of have a good time. So I went on there and I found the All-Clad version of basically an Instant Pot. It is the All-Clad pressure cooker. So it takes everything that I love about All-Clad, the shininess, the sexiness, all that kind of stuff, and brings it into the pressure cooker world. So I had to get one of these. It's normally $300 and I paid $120. So join me. Let's get this All-Clad pressure cooker out of the box. It's Wednesday. So you guys know that All-Clad is my #1 favorite cookware. And I have some All-Clad electric pieces. I have a slow cooker, I have the rice and grain cooker, and now I got a pressure cooker, right? I couldn't pass this up. This says it's the ACPSSE electric pressure cooker with precision steam control. These pressure cookers they do all kinds of stuff. They saute, they slow cook, they sear, they steam. They do everything that your classic multi-cooker can do. But what's great about this one is it's shiny, right? It looks like an All-Clad appliance. That's what makes it so nice. I've wanted one of these, but I didn't know if I wanted to shell out $300 for one. I would say that, I really like my Instant Pot. And so hopefully this will just take it to another level, right? This one I don't think this is a factory second. I think this is supposedly just a damaged box. It didn't say it was a second. So, oh yeah, Wednesday, right? Woo, and it's not even a damaged box. Says it's a damaged box. Do you see a damaged box here, Eric?
I don't know, maybe they need an excuse.
I don't know. So here is our All-Clad electric pressure cooker. This thing is amazing. And yeah, I don't see any kind of damage to it. So maybe I got lucky, right? It has precision steam control. It is stainless on the outside. It has 8 programs, high polished like classic All-Clad is. So the 8 programs are pressure cook, slow cook, saute, sear, reduce, steam, rice, and reheat. I've never heard that before. Reheat?
Yeah, like when you gotta warm your food up.
Yeah, warm your food up instead of in the microwave.
Hey, you gotta do it sexy.
Yeah. Cooking is like one part utilitarian and part, you're having fun and you're enjoying yourself in the kitchen. So if you get a luxury appliance, do you need that? Not necessarily. Do you want it? It makes it fun for the home cook. So it has a recipe book with it and cream of leek and potato soup. Awesome. Risotto. This is a really nice recipe book. One of the things when you get higher end appliance, you tend to get higher end manuals that come with it. So here is the user guide. Yeah, I'll have to go through that at another time. We have important warning. Be sure that the central nut under the lid is screwed in tightly. And then they have the product registration card. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 right? Oh my gosh.
What? Does it have a dent in it?
No, it's a beauty. It looks very similar to the rice and grain cooker. Yeah. You want to see it, Boo? Da-da, da, da, da! Wow. Oh my God. I just want to sit here and stare at it. It's a beauty. It's an absolute beauty. I'm stunned. I'm absolutely stunned. This thing is an absolute beauty. How do I get the lid off?
Lift it.
Ooh, let's see what it comes
Does it have
with.
any goodies in there?
It has a power cord. That's a goodie.
Does it have any strainers?
It has a rack. That's a goodie. A measuring cup. That's a goodie.
Where's our rice paddle?
No rice paddle, but it has a steamer basket. Not sure what that is. Steamer basket. Oh, this is the condensation collector. Inner pot, which is nonstick.
Just the outside, that's all we care about.
So to take this lid off, there's a screw right here. And you unscrew that, and then the lid comes off.
Yay.
And you have your gasket and your cap here for the vent. So you put this back. I had another one that did this. It was like this. I think the Kasori 8-quart is like this, where the lid screws off. This is really nice. Here's your valve going on right here. Holy moly. This baby is pretty. Function, pressure cook, reduce, or slow cook, saute, sear, reduce, steam, rise, reheat. Steam release. Oh, it has a steam release button here. Oh, look at that. You hit this button. So you don't have to touch this thing here. You hit a button down here. And it releases your steam. That's sweet. Timer, temp, pressure. Temp? What's temp for? For saute? Oh. So this is really interesting. I like it. I like it. This goes here. Wow, what do you think about this? This is a pressure cooker. This is beautiful. Aha, the All-Clad pressure cooker.
You don't need a mirror.
No, no mirror necessary. Did you hear that? While we were unboxing that pressure cooker, the doorbell rang and look what showed up at the front door. So I figured I would bring them in here and we could just open them up here so they don't junk up the entryway. So I'm not sure exactly what's in these boxes. Like I said, I have not been going to the store. I've been ordering a lot of stuff online, so they all came today. Holy cow. So we have a few different things here. We have a package from Breville. We have some Amazon. We have Sam's Club, Walmart, Sam's Club. So let's get to having some fun, right? Oh my gosh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. So it's everything from your everyday to your not everyday. Well, mostly every day.
Breville ain't every day.
The Breville's not every day. So what do we have in
Better
here?
not be every day.
This is going to be exciting stuff here, guys. Whoa. Okay. This is a heavy thing.
Fennel beans?
Fennel beans. Well, since I'm having trouble getting Clorox wipes, we have some, but the stores are sold out. And I heard that it's not that the wipes aren't in stock, that the manufacturers can't get the canisters that the wipes go in. So that's why there's such a shortage. So when you have your canister of Clorox wipes and you have your wipes inside, it's not the wipes that they're having a shortage of, it's the canisters. So some of the companies are experimenting with soft-sided holders to ship them in. So when you go to your store and they don't have these, blame the canister, right? And those, I use those a lot. When I clean in here, I wipe everything down, rinse, wipe, rinse. But then my final step is to run them with Clorox wipes for sanitizing. So I got myself a few different kind of cleaners. And I've never used this before. It's called Fabuloso. And
oh yeah, you get that at like the dollar store and stuff.
yeah, but some people have told me that this stuff is amazing, and it literally gets 5 stars on samsclub.com. So one of the things I bought was, I bought 2 of them, and they came with spray bottles. I bought 2 of the same kind. So I'm going to use 1 spray bottle for the Fabuloso. This is Passion of Fruits.
Oh, smell it.
It's a multi-purpose
Do a smell test.
cleaner, multi-purpose cleaner. Yeah.
What's wrong? What does it smell like?
Smelling. Not quite passion of fruits.
Maybe passion fruit that's expired.
No, more like cold medicine.
It almost tastes like sour apple.
Taste it?
No, well, it smells like sour apple.
Well, there's an apple here.
Well, yeah, but you know, sour apple candy, like Jolly Ranchers.
Ugh, yeah, it smells like cough syrup to me. So if you, wow, if you've ever used Fabuloso, put a comment down there and let me know how you like it. Because this is actually gets 5 stars on samsclub.com. They sell this stuff. I think they sell it in the store too. Have you ever seen it in the store?
I'm sure they do.
Oh, no, it's a big container.
Yeah, well, a little bit.
Isn't that fabuloso? That's my favorite. Fajita Fabuloso.
Get that off of your All-Clad, boo-boo.
I'm probably going to like this because my favorite fajita seasoning is Fajita Fabulosa, right?
Uh-huh.
So I bought this from Breville. It's an attachment to my bakery chef. And the reason I bought it is because they're not selling them anymore, but they have some miscellaneous parts left to them. And I was afraid if I break it, I won't be able to get one again. So I got a second plastic scraper paddle. This will buy me some time in case it breaks. I have an extra one. So this is not ordinary that I buy something like this.
Would you be able to get that on eBay from the UK or something?
I don't know, but they have some parts left and that's about it. So I got one of these in case something happens to the one I have. Okay, next up is an Amazon.
Any guesses?
Yeah, this is exciting. Toothbrushes!
Oh, jeez. Well, we're not exactly going to Walmart these days.
Yeah, I couldn't get any new toothbrushes. So I ordered, yeah, isn't this exciting?
Christmas in June.
I ordered 4 packs of Reach toothbrushes. Okay, let's see what else I got. Oh my gosh, this is heavy.
Are those canned pears, though?
I don't know what they are. I sort of randomly ordered stuff. Whatever I needed, that's what I ordered, right? Oh, yay! Tortillas! White corn tortillas. Awesome. I got some casseroles and some taco things in mine. I had to get 2 of these, so I'm going to have to put them in the freezer. So I got some white mission corn tortillas.
Yeah. I knew there had to be some cooking show stuff in here.
Something relevant?
Yeah. Did you order me any cheesecakes or anything, Boo-Boo?
No. Sorry. You have to go to the store to get that. What else did I get?
Kill me off.
What is this? This is Walmart.
Walmart. Got any motor oil in there?
Oh, speaking of wipes, I was able to get 1 3-pack of wipes. Someone on one of the boards said, oh, they have this 3-pack available on Walmart. Get it when you can. So I got a little 3-pack.
Yeah.
They only let you order 1 and then it was sold out. Just like that. And what else did I get here? I think this is my other cleaner. If I'm not buying kitchen stuff or food, I'm buying cleaner. Because I'm sort of a germaphobe. Oh, no, this isn't my other cleaner. Oh.
Ooh. Basmati.
Ah! This is a huge bag of basmati rice from the foothills of the Himalayas. I wanted to get this at the store, but they were like totally sold out. But I was able to get it on their website. So awesome! Wow, this is 20 pounds basmati rice. Maybe we'll take this and do the first cook on that, right? Using this rice. Naturally aromatic and premium aged. So what's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. I was just having a little fun. I'm sure you don't entertained by me opening my toothbrushes. But we have the new All-Clad pressure cooker. Looking forward to trying this out. We will do our first cook on that. I'm just going to do some rice so we can test it out to see how that baby works. I'll do a water test before that so it's ready to go. We'll cook a load of rice and we'll see. Actually, we could cook a load of rice in the Instant Pot and cook a load of rice in that at the same time to see the winner.
See who does a better job.
Yeah, that would be interesting. Because I believe this has, doesn't this have a rice setting? So this has a rice button. So we could do the same in both, use the Instant Pot rice setting and use that rice setting. And we're going to cook some of this basmati rice. That sounds kind of fun. Just to see how this thing performs. I hope you're having a great Wednesday. We had a lot of fun opening our groceries here, and I hope you have a great rest of the week. If you like these kind of videos, kitchen equipment, unboxing of food, or cooking, go ahead and subscribe below and join us on our journey to become better cooks. Also, you can catch me on social media at facebook.com/group/Amy Learns to Cook. If you've ever used this Fabulosa, come on in the group and let me know how you like this stuff. Also, you can catch me on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, you can catch me at Cookin' with Amy. Have a great Wednesday.